Hey guys, what's up? It's Raya, and today I have a pretty exciting video. So on my channel, I've been sharing a lot of skincare, or like just my original skincare routine, and I've been doing research about other skincare. So I decided to buy some that I've always wanted from the brand The Ordinary, and then I found another brand that I'm trying out too called the Inkey list. And I had a gift card to Sephora for like almost an entire year because it's almost my birthday, and I got it from my friends for my birthday last year. So I decided to finally use it and buy some skincare that I've been wanting. So I thought I'd do an unboxing and just show you guys what I got and explain what it does, and then later tonight I will take you through the steps of it. So I got everything from Sephora, as you can see, my package, and I'm just gonna open it up. I already opened that tape before this, so it'd be easy. And I'm just gonna take things out one by one. First thing that I got is from The Ordinary. It's a caffeine solution, and this is meant for your under eyes, like dark circles, puffiness, anything like that. And I wanted to get that because I've talked about it before, but I think my dark circles are pretty bad. I have makeup on right now, so you can't really see it, but they're bad. I will show you tonight, especially when I look up. It's so dark under there, so you'll get to see those bags tonight. But I read about this, and I read that for some people it's really worked, so I wanted to try it out. And then I got one more thing from The Ordinary. It's hyaluronic acid and B5, and this is used before your moisturizer, and you put it on like a few drops on, and then it will help retain the moisture that you get from your moisturizer, and even I think moisture from the air. So this just helps your skin take in the moisture that you're applying to it and moisture around you, so that it makes your skin more full and more plump. So I love hydration, so that's why I got this. And then this brand I hadn't even heard of until I was on the Sephora website. And my friend actually, I was texting her while I was buying the stuff, and she was like, oh my gosh, there's a brand called the Inkey list that I also want to try out. And I was like, okay. And so I saw if Sephora had it, and they did. And this is retinol. It's used for anti-aging, and you only use this at night because it can be pretty harsh on your skin. But people like to say it ruins your skin just to bring back baby skin. So I wanted to try that, and it helps reduce wrinkles. And you can't really tell, it's only when I'm doing my makeup and I'm making funny faces, I get creases from forehead wrinkles, so I want to get rid of those. So I will use this at night and try to get brand new skin. And then the last thing from Sephora that I got is this vitamin B, C, and E moisturizer, also from the Inkey list. And I know vitamin C is used to help brighten your skin and even your skin tone, so that's why I wanted to get this. It says to use hyaluronic acid before you use this, so then your skin can take in all of the vitamins that is in this moisturizer. So that's why I also am pairing the two together. So the last thing I got is from Amazon. It's not from Sephora, but it was something that was really important and that I had to add into my routine. And I've been needing to add it for a while. I just never got around to ordering it. And it is a facial sunscreen. This one is from Hawaiian Tropics, and it has SPF 30 in it. I didn't know this before, but one of the most important steps of skincare is SPF, because even if it's not sunny out, UV rays can go to your skin, and then that can cause aging, premature aging. And I don't know about you, but I don't want any premature aging here. I already feel like I have it with the bags and the wrinkles. So we're gonna try to get rid of those things and then keep it young. Keep my skin looking young. So I got this, and it says it's weightless, and that there's a little bit of a smell to it, like a sunscreen smell, but not too bad. And I read reviews, and they said it wasn't greasy. So this is my new facial sunscreen. And all of you watching this video, if you don't already have one in your routine, please get one. Because even dermatologists say this is the most important step. I got with the program, so you get with the program. And this is only used in the morning, and you put it on after you did the rest of your skincare. but before you do your makeup. That's my little unboxing, and next you will see me doing my skincare routine, so let's go to that. Okay, so it's nighttime now. You can see I already have my hair up, makeup off. I'm really greasy today, which is a little weird because that doesn't usually happen to me. I'm not someone who gets oily. Usually I have dry skin. I guess it's been a long day or something. Not really. All I've done today is read my book, which is part of the Caraval series because I've moved on since the last time that I talked about a book I was reading. But this series is really good. I'm on the second book, and there's 3 in the series. So if you're looking for a book to read, I highly suggest. It's like fantasy, kind of. I'm not a fantasy type of person. I don't usually read fantasy books, but it's really good. So I highly recommend. And I watched a show called Star. It's on Hulu, and I think it's originally on Fox, but highly recommend that too. My mom and I have been obsessed. We've been binge watching it, and it's like Jane the Virgin mixed with Glee, mixed with Empire, and I really enjoy it. And then ate Chinese food. So I don't know why I'm all greasy and sweaty. My dad keeps turning up the heat in the house, so I think it might be that. Anyways, back to the video at hand. I'm gonna show you my new skincare routine in the order that all of the items go in that I unboxed for you guys. First, I start with this cleanser. It's the Aveeno Positively Radiant. I've already showed it in my morning routine, my night routine. You guys have heard about it quite a bit, so I won't really exhaust you with the details. But it's a radiant cleanser, so it's supposed to brighten your skin. And I use a scrubby that I've talked about before too, that my sister made. It has like a smooth side and a scrubby side, so it exfoliates while you're cleansing your skin. So I'm gonna wash my face. As you can see, my skin hasn't been agreeing with me lately, which is okay. It's gonna happen. But this is my bare face, all pimply, and I hope all these new products can help it out a little bit. We're hoping. So now we're gonna get into the new products. And next I'm gonna use the Retinol from the Inkey list. And like I said, Retinol is used to help with wrinkles, anti-aging, and all that fun stuff. Now you can tell because I don't have makeup on. I get these bad wrinkles because I'm pretty expressive, I'm pretty dramatic, so these come in quite a bit. So we're trying to counteract that. Like, I am 21 years old. I do not need wrinkles yet. It tells you to take a pea-sized amount and then just put it all on your face and your neck. I have suffered an injury from cooking. Oh, that looked like I was flipping off. I've suffered an injury from cooking, and so can't use that finger. I made that mistake the other night because I was doing skincare and I just got the moisturizer all over the band-aid, and I had to switch the band-aids way too many times. You only use this at night, and it's a low percentage, and it can be kind of harsh, but that's just because it's like renewing your skin, and it makes your skin susceptible to sun damage because it's photoreactive. So make sure you wear sunscreen if you're using this product for sure, or your skin is going to become more damaged than it was before. Just a heads up. After that's soaked in, I'm gonna go in with the Hyaluronic Acid from The Ordinary, and it has 2% and B5 in it, and it helps your skin hold in moisture. It makes it very hydrated. It tells you to put a few drops and then put it into your skin, like rub it in. Like I told you, usually my skin is dry, so I'm trying to give as much moisture to it as possible. And this can be used in the morning and the nighttime. And it makes your face kind of tacky. I don't know why. I don't know if that's part of like helping moisture come in, but yeah, that's what that does. now that I've let the hyaluronic acid soak into my skin, I'm gonna go in with the Ordinary Caffeine Solution, and you put it under your eyes, like in the contour of your eyes. And I was telling you earlier that you couldn't see them, but here are my under eye bags. I think they're pretty dark, and I would like to fix that. So I'm gonna put this. It says just a little amount, and you can use this in the morning and at night too. Another serum that I don't have that I want to get because of acne and like clogged pores and stuff, it's called niacinamide, and The Ordinary sells it. I'm pretty sure a lot of places will sell it, but I want to get that because it can help with clogged pores, blackheads, and acne. And as you can see, my skin might need that right now, and it's just not a bad thing to use all the time because then you'll get less acne overall. So that's another thing that if you're looking for anything to help with acne, I would suggest getting a niacinamide. And just a heads up, like, I'm no expert in skincare. This is all like my personal research, so do your own research. Figure out what your skin type is. Figure out products you think will help you the best, because there's many products out there. There's many I do not have. So I would suggest looking up things for yourself, because I don't know what to do for oily skin, and I'm 22, so I don't know what to do for older skin. Like, I know some anti-aging products, but I don't know a lot. So I'm just trying to give you advice based on what I know and based on the products I have. But obviously, I don't know everything, not even close. They also say, like, to use your ring finger to put stuff under your eyes, because that's, like, the most gentle finger. I don't know if that's true, but I've been trying to follow that. Because even if it's not true, I guess it doesn't really matter what finger it is. So on to my last step for the nighttime. I'm going to use the vitamin Bc E Moisturizer. And this is a moisturizer that they suggest to use with hyaluronic acid, so you get all the benefits from the vitamins in it. And it says to use about a pea-size amount of this too. Just rub it in. Sometimes I use a little bit more than a pea-size amount because maybe I have a big face or something. Because if I use too little, I feel like I don't efficiently get my entire face. I might have used a little too much this time, but extra moisture, lock that in. If you want someone that does know a lot about skincare to watch, there is a YouTuber named Hiram, and he does expensive skincare, affordable skincare. He like roast skincare if it's like really bad for you, and he knows what all the ingredients mean. So I would definitely check him out, because that's where I learned some of the stuff about what I've bought. And what I do love about these products is that they tell you exactly what's in it, because most of them have the percentage. I know the Inkey list is part of Sephora's like all natural, like there's not any harmful products in it, and I'm pretty sure they might both be vegan. So the Inkey list is no parabens, no fragrance, and no cruelty. And that's like some things that people look for. So if that's what you're into, it's also affordable and has those features. And lastly, I'm going to show again my sunscreen. I do not use this at night. I use this in the morning. So the only difference between my morning and night skincare is in the morning I don't use retinol, but I use this last. And then at night I use retinol and don't use this. That is my new skincare routine. I will update you guys on how it is, especially after a few weeks using it. I'll put it in the description box, and I'll probably update you in some video where I talk to you guys. I highly recommend, and when it comes to sunscreen, like I'm not joking around about this. This is so important. You don't want to damage your skin more by not wearing it, because it's not that hard to put on. There are many types out there. This was like $7. It was affordable. It's not greasy. You can have ones that have more SPF than this, because this is 30. There's some that have 15. You just don't want to go through a whole skincare routine thinking you're making your skin better and then damaging it more by going outside. Especially with retinols, vitamin E, it's really bad to not use a sunscreen. So use a sunscreen, please. I have not been using it until recently, and I'm mad at myself because I probably could have prevented a lot of damage that has happened to my skin. Don't let your skin get more damaged. Anyways, that's the end of my video. I'll try not to talk about skincare as much in the next coming videos. I'll try to switch it up because I know it's been a lot about skincare, but it's like a journey that I'm going on personally, and I thought that it'd be nice to take you guys along with me so you can see like where my skin has started, where it could be, and the products that I use to get there. And I thought an unboxing would be fun since I've never done one of those yet. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your favorite brands of skincare. Have you ever used these brands? Do you like the products? And if you want to get the products that I'm using, and if you have any questions about the products, you can either research or comment down below and I'll answer some of the things. So thank you guys for watching. Give it a like if you like it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.